Click on the link below to get price. The ESKUTE V100 Electric Bike stands out as an exceptional choice for adults seeking both power and versatility in their riding experience. Equipped with a robust 1500W peak motor, this electric dirt bike delivers impressive performance that makes it ideal for both urban environments and off-road adventures. The acceleration is smooth and rapid, allowing riders to tackle inclines and rough terrains with ease. The electric assistance can reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour, which is exhilarating while still feeling safe and manageable. One of the highlights of the ESKUTE V100 is its solid build quality. The frame is constructed from durable materials that can withstand the rigors of off-road riding. Its design strikes a balance between ruggedness and style, making it visually appealing. Additionally, the bike features 26-inch wheels with high-quality tires designed for stability and grip, ensuring a confident ride on various surfaces, from paved roads to rocky trails. Battery life is another standout feature. The ESKUTE V100 incorporates a high-capacity lithium battery, providing a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on the riding mode and terrain. This extended range allows for longer rides without the worry of running out of power, making it a practical choice for both commuting and recreational use. The battery is easily removable for convenient charging, a thoughtful touch for those who may not have space to store the entire bike indoors. Comfort is prioritized with an adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars that accommodate various rider heights, making it suitable for a wide audience. The bike's suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, ensuring a smooth ride even on bumpy trails. Overall, the ESKUTE V100 Electric Bike combines power, durability, and comfort into one impressive package. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to electric bikes, the V100 delivers an enjoyable experience that enhances every journey. It's a smart investment for anyone looking to explore with freedom and ease.